namaste, welcome to Greeter. So how are you? I hope you're doing okay. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is urgent messages from Archangel Michael. So what Archangel Michael wants you to know, that is going to be the reading for today. Okay, remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch, this reading is for you. So the timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so close your eyes, relax. So there is an ant here, so I feel like I'm getting a message here, overall message: work hard, guys, don't give up. Okay, so yeah, don't lose hope. Like maybe Archangel Michael wants you to know that, like, keep working hard. Okay, so yeah, so for group number 1, this is the crystal lapis lazuli for group number 1. For group number 2, bloodstone, and for group number 3 is aquamarine crystal. So close your eyes, relax, call upon your spirit guides, angels, call upon Archangel Michael, and then ask him which pile you need to take. Okay, so for group number 1, lapis lazuli, group number 2, bloodstone, and group number 3, aquamarine. If you want more time, please pause the video and then take your time and then watch. Okay, so I'm gonna start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this this lapis lazuli crystal, let's see what is your message from Archangel Michael. Urgent messages from Archangel Michael. Okay, so with this lapis lazuli, I feel like clear communication is going to come for you, guys. Like if you're waiting for someone to communicate to you, I feel like that is going to happen. Or maybe you will get a clear guided messages from your angels, or maybe you'll receive some clarity about something or someone. So a lot of clarity, a lot of communication is what I see for you, guys. And I feel like Archangel Michael wants you to know that you can ask for help from him. So ask for help, communicate with him. Yeah, ask for help. That's very important. When you will ask, then only you will be provided with the support. Okay, so you need to ask for help. And I feel like there will be people around you who will support you, but you need to ask. You need to, for some of you, you need to work on your third chakra. Okay, that is very important. So let's see. The first card you have drawn is like Ace of Swords, and I feel like a clear picture is coming for you, guys. A clarity. For some of you, I even feel like you'll be successful in your exams or something like that. Okay, maybe for some of you, you have given a tough exam and you're worried about it. So I feel like everything will be okay with this Ace of Swords, I feel like. And if you're studying or something, you're going to like, if you if there is a hard subject for you, guys, you will be able to understand that subject. That is also, I'm feeling like, yeah, for some of you, if you're struggling with a subject. Okay, if you are struggling in your work area, or maybe you are not able to understand some work, how to do this, maybe you will get clarity about it, how to, you will or maybe a person will help you with that work. Okay, for some of you, maybe you're learning a new course or something like that, and you're very worried whether you will be able to learn that or not. You will be able to, because I feel like, yeah, look, we have King of Cups. So maybe for some of you, I feel like a mentor is coming who will help you with this, or there is a mentor, you need to ask for his guidance, he will help you with that. Or maybe for some of you, you are learning maths or something like that, maybe this person will help you with your maths problems or something. Or maybe if you are giving an exam or something like that. Yeah, so there is definitely help, but you need to ask for it. Okay, and for others, I even feel like you're getting a clear picture about water sign person. Okay, if you're confused about this person, you're getting a clear picture. Yeah, that is what I feel, a very clear picture about this person, why things happen the way, or maybe something has happened in past, and now you will get a clear picture why this relationship didn't work, or why this job didn't work, or why this opportunity didn't come your way. So yeah, something very clear picture. You will be understanding a lot of things. Yeah, because we have this hanged man energy. So I feel like what Archangel Michael is telling you're going to shift your perception about things. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you are on the verge of giving up things. Maybe you are like, oh no, I cannot write this exam, this is very tough. But things will shift for you guys. Maybe you will find a mentor with this King of Cups. Person will enter into your life, and this person will help you with your exams, and you will be like shifting your perception. You will be, oh yeah, I can do it. If I try harder, I will be able to manage it. So something is changing. Yeah, look, you are getting out of this Eight of Swords energy. So I know that you're feeling very anxious right now, you're feeling very stuck right now, you're feeling like you cannot go out, or you're feeling like I'm just stuck with this subject, and you're like crying over it. Oh, I have to learn so much. Or maybe you're stuck in your workplace and you're like, oh, I cannot understand these things, this is not the work I want to do. Or yeah, for some of you, I feel like you're stuck in a relationship, or maybe you're like, oh, I don't want to be in this relationship. So some sort of stress is there, some sort of stuck. You're feeling very stuck, I feel like, for some of you. So I feel like you will be out of this stuck, you will unstuck yourself, something like that. And we have this crows, I feel like. So with this crows also, messages, communication is going to happen for you guys, a lot of communication. And because of this communication, you will be able to remove that blindfold. Look, we have Ace of Swords and we have Eight of Swords here. She is so clear. Look, she's so clear, and this person doesn't have this clear understanding. So that is what is happening for you. Archangel Michael is going to give you a very, very clear understanding about things, about person. So whatever, if you're feeling very muddled, if you don't know what to do next, what step you need to take, you don't have to worry, because the urgent message from Archangel Michael is that you will overcome your stress. You will be out of this Eight of Swords energy. You will be you will be seeing things very differently. Yeah, if you're feeling like giving up, if you're feeling like this is not going to work, you will have a different attitude. Your attitude is going to shift, and I feel like someone will help you with that also. Okay, and a lot of healing energy also, I feel like. Your emotions. Okay, so yeah, that is also very important for you guys to know what you're feeling. How are your thoughts? That is very important. Okay, so keep a note of your thoughts. Okay, so because if you are all the time having negative thoughts, so it's important that you shift that negative thoughts into positive thoughts. I know that negative thoughts happen, and it's okay, but every time it will every time you notice it, you can change it to a positive thought. Okay, so that is going to be very important here. But I feel like you're going to change your perception. Things are going to look different. You will be seeing people differently. You will be seeing yourself differently with this clear picture. So a lot of clear understanding. That is what I feel like. So if you're like, sometimes when there is fog, we are not able to see, right, what is ahead of us. So I feel like that fog is clearing for you guys, and you will be able to see, because you are the one who is removing the blindfold, and you're walking away from this place. Okay, so yeah, that is what I feel like. And look, we have a change in the wind. So definitely things are going to shift for you guys. There is going to be a change. So things are not going to be the same. So remember, the change is only the thing that is constant. Everything is there are no permanent things. Everything is like, yeah, nothing is permanent, right? So that is what I feel like. Happiness is not permanent, sadness is not permanent. Life is a journey where we have to embrace both happiness, sadness, ups and downs. So yeah, so if you're feeling like this, like stuck, if you're feeling you're not able to move forward, if you're feeling like you don't know what to do next, and you're struggling right now, your Archangel Michael is saying that things are going to shift for you guys. A change is coming. You will have a very clear picture about things. You will be walking away from things, because your attitude is going to change. You're going to look upside down. So yeah, you will have a different perception about things. Okay, so look, we have group think, mindful, and interestingly we have a key here and we have keyhole here. So you are going to find the key. I feel like you will have your answers. Okay, so when we have answers, life becomes easy, right? So yeah, that is what I feel for you guys, because you are changing your attitude. Because of that, you will see a lot of changes. Okay, for some of you, I feel like with this Yeah, with this mindful, what I'm getting is like you need to practice some mindfulness. Maybe you're stressing a lot with this Eight of Swords, so maybe it's important to be in the now with this time. Time to be in the present moment. That is the message from Archangel Michael, to be in the now. Don't stress too much about your future. Maybe you have an exam in next 2 months. Maybe after 2 months you have an exam and you're stressing about that exam, and you're like, there is so much to read, there is so much to learn, and I don't know how to do. But there is a way. The person will help you with that, and you will shift your perception about it. Instead of stressing, take one day at a time. Okay, you have all the solutions within yourself, you have that clarity, you are intelligent people, remember that, and you will be successful. So yeah, take one step at a time, one day at a time, 1 minute at a time. Okay, you don't have to think about your future, like what will I will be after 5 years, will I will have a job, or whatever it is, whatever your situation is. Don't think too much, don't overthink. Practice mindfulness, meditate if it's possible, meditate. Okay, so yeah, that is what I feel. Look, blame. Okay, for some of you, maybe you have maybe for some of you there are people around you who are blaming, or they're telling that you're not working hard enough, or maybe because of other people you are getting distracted or something like that. So maybe for some of you, I even feel like that there are people around you who are not supportive, right? Maybe you have to study, but at the same time you have other responsibilities also, so you're not able to give your 100% because of your other responsibilities, right? So I feel like there are people around you who are not so understanding. So Archangel Michael is telling, you don't have to think too much about them. Okay, what sometimes we think what are they thinking, and we stress about that also. So don't think what other people are thinking, because we cannot change their thinking. All you can change is your own thinking. That is what you need to focus on. You need to focus on your own exams. If you're writing exams, you need to focus on your own exam. If there are co-workers who are like mocking you, you don't have to care about them. I know it's difficult when people are like that, but right now you don't have to take their blame. They can say whatever they need to say, so leave that. What is good for you, do that. Okay, what you feel right, do that. So take care of your mental health. I feel like you need to do that also. Meditate, take care of your mental health. Don't stress about others, what they're telling. If they're gossiping or something like that, you don't have to do that. And if people are blaming you, you don't have to take responsibility for that, I feel like, because it's their problem. Sometimes people blame for no reason, because they want things that way. That doesn't mean that we have to do things their way. We can do things our way, right? So remember, your responsibility is your well-being. Okay, you cannot change other people's character or something like that, how they behave to you. Only the thing you can change is your own character, right? You can become a good person every day. You can try to do that. You don't have to change anyone else perception about you, because if they want, then only they will change. Otherwise, why they will not change, right? So you don't have to think about that. So take responsibilities about your studies, how you need to do it. Focus on that. Focus on the work you do it properly. Okay, so let go of all other people. So your well-being is in your hands right now, Archangel Michael is telling. So get out of this Eight of Swords energy. You don't have to stress about things right now, but I'm clearly feeling that things are going to shift for you guys. You will get a clear picture. So you're receiving messages from divine. Okay, so meditate, you will get that messages also. So like a lot of clarity is what is happening for you guys, and Archangel Michael is supporting you. Yeah, that's what I feel for you guys. So group number 1, bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this bloodstone, this is your reading with me. So let's see what are the urgent messages from Archangel Michael for you guys. So with this bloodstone, a lot of creativity, a lot of healing, that is what I feel for you guys. So you're receiving a lot of messages from Archangel Michael, like a lot of lot of creative ideas. So if you're in a creative field, or if you want a creative solution, that will be provided to you guys. Okay, so with this, if you have this bloodstone, use this stone for creativity. Like while meditating, you can use this stone. Okay, so from tarot cards, we have 10 of swords energy. So the worst is over. Archangel Michael is telling, yeah, look at this magician. And then we have the wheel. Look at the numbers. We have the 10 number, we have the 10 number, and then we have a 1 number. So it's a new start, guys, definitely with these numbers. That is what I feel. The wheel is shifting in your favor. The 10 of swords energy is the worst is over. Like you cannot go more worse, you know, things will not go wrong than this. Okay, so yeah, the worst part is over. That is what I feel like. Archangel Michael wants you to know that that you are powerful manifestors. So maybe things have not been, yeah, things have been a little bit chaotic. I feel like that for you guys right now. Like maybe things are not in your favor right now, or maybe something has happened that you know, some disappointments might have happened. Maybe people might have disappointed you, or maybe your work, because of your work there have been problems or whatever. Yeah, something has happened that is this 10 of swords energy, but this thing is completing right now, and a new cycle is starting for you guys. So maybe for some of you, financially you have been feeling not so great, or maybe in your work life there have been problems, or maybe in relationship there have been problems, or maybe because of other people you had to go through problems, or maybe you have been mentally you have not been so great, or maybe you have been very stressed. You know, I feel what Archangel Michael wants you to know is, like, he's reminding you that you are powerful manifestors, and you will have everything you need. Okay, you have all the resources inside of you to make it happen. Okay, so when you trust yourself, everything is going to shift for you guys. So I feel the main thing Archangel Michael wants you to know is to have the faith, have the trust in the divine. Yes, the worst part is over. Now the rainbows are going to come. The rains are over right now. Now it's the time of look at the sunshine, right? You are going to shine right now. I feel like that. So yeah, and remember, you will have everything you need. All the resources will come to you, and everything is inside of you. You are very strong people, and Archangel Michael wants you to remind I feel like for some of you, you have lost that touch. Maybe you know that you are strong, you are the magician, or you know that you're manifestors, you're powerful manifestors, but somewhere you lost it. I feel like you are not trusting right now. So like Archangel Michael he's coming and telling you, he's like reminding you that you are powerful manifestors. Things are going to shift right now. Okay, change is coming. The wheel is turning in your favor. With this wheel card, what I have to say, things are going to shift. The fortune, yeah, maybe for some of you, you were in the down part of the cycle, because you know the wheel keeps on turning. So some yeah, the wheel is turning now. It's going to be in the, you know, maybe for some of you, you were feeling that lag, things were like not so great, you know. So now the things are coming up again. So yeah, so for you guys, it's like a reminder from Archangel Michael that everything is going to be well, all is well. Things have been bad right now. You know, for some of you, maybe your plans got cancelled, or maybe you thought that this person might be like this, but they changed. Something happened, and it took a toll on you. But finally, you're letting go of it, and you're moving forward. Okay, so here Archangel Michael is just reminding you that you're powerful manifestors. You are powerful, and things are changing. Luck is coming. Okay, that is what I feel. Maybe for some of you, feeling that your luck has gone, or yeah, something like that. But finally, things are turning. Okay. So let's see what else. Wow, look at happy, and we have 8 numbers. So for some of you, I feel like you're financially, maybe you're feeling like things are not happening that good, or maybe yeah, maybe you lost some money, or maybe there have been a lot of purchases, and because of it you feel like you're not receiving that much money. But things are going to shift for you guys. In relationship also, if you're feeling like you're giving, you're not receiving, it's the time to receive. I feel like many of you are going to receive some sort of gift also, and it will make you so happy. Maybe a gift from Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael may give you a message that will make you happy, something like that. Okay, but definitely there is a lot of happiness. Look at the stars, right? So for some of you, a wish is coming true. I feel like Archangel Michael is telling you that yeah, you are going to be happy. Look, from 10 of swords to happy. Okay, but I feel like thing is coming between your happiness is you. Okay, if you will stress about the past things, then you will never be happy, right? So let go of that stress, let go of that past things, let go of the people who have told bad about you, whatever they have done. Remember that you're powerful, you're magic, you're manifestors, powerful manifestors. You can create a dream life. You have that potential. Everything is inside of you. You have that potential. You have, through your thoughts you can change your luck, right? If you believe in yourself, and yeah, you're very magnetic. Your thoughts are very, very magnetic. So bring more positive thoughts, okay? That will help you a lot, okay? And yeah, maybe 26 number is important for you guys, or maybe your birthday date is on 26, or maybe your life path 8, or maybe 8 number is important to you guys. But definitely with this 8 number is also what I feel is abundance is coming for you guys, a lot of happiness, a lot of prosperities. Look, the angel is also smiling right here, if you can see that. So angels are near you. You are very, very protected also. That is what I feel like. Group number 2, a lot of creative ideas while meditating. Yeah, if you are doing yoga, that will help you, okay? So yeah, look at the poses here. We have here a pose here, and this meditation pose and all. So I feel like meditation will help you. If you are creators, if you have gone through some like losses in your business, everything will be okay, right? So creative solutions will be provided to you guys, and things will be good, okay? With the sun shining here, so yeah, things are going to be back to normal. Yeah, adaptability. So you need to be grounded, okay? So yeah, there is stress. Again, the number 1064 reduces to 10, right? So yeah, again, a new cycle is opening up for you guys. New beginnings, new start. The worst is over. You will be able to adapt easily. So I even feel like with this tree, grounding, you need to ground yourself. Yeah, grounding is very important. Maybe for some of you need to connect with a tree, like walk in nature. If you can walk barefoot, it will be very good for you guys. And all is well, okay? That is what I feel. Everything is okay, everything is going to be okay. You don't have to worry. If you're stressing about your finances, everything will be okay. If you're stressing about your relationship, everything is going to be okay. But all you need to do is to let go of the things that is not serving you. Don't hold on to the things that is tough, okay? Sometimes we do that. Sometimes we hold on to the thoughts that are not good for us, right? And we keep on thinking. Don't do that. Let go of that thoughts. Yeah, that is the message I'm strongly receiving with this. And wait a second, guys. Yeah, I even feel like there is a lot of growth happening for you guys, okay? And if you dance, if you are dancers, if you like to dance, okay? That will release a lot of stress, okay? Dancing, that is what I feel like. Dancing, like listening music, dancing, yeah, that will help you, okay? And I feel like sometimes I even feel like if you're pregnant, if you're stressing about your baby, don't do that. Everything is going to be all right, okay? Yeah, freedom. Yeah, sometimes we feel like, maybe for some of you with this 10 of swords, you felt like that your freedom has taken away from you, something like that. If that's the case, you're getting back your freedom. Maybe for some of you it's your own thoughts. Because of that, you're feeling very caged. Sometimes because of stress we feel caged. We cage ourselves because of our own thoughts. So you're letting yourself free. That is what I feel like with this freedom card. You're feeling free. For some of you, it's like about your financially, you're going to become free, okay? Financially, you'll not stress about things. Maybe for some of you, yeah, maybe because of your commitments where you were feeling like trapped or something, you're not going to be trapped anymore, okay? I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. I told you about, you're the powerful manifestors and free will. You have the free will. Nothing is yet in the stone, right? Nothing is like, yeah, you can change. So just keep that positive thoughts and keep on manifesting, because you're powerful manifestors. Ground your energy. Don't stress too much right now. For some of you, travel also. I feel if you want to travel, that is also quite possible. Don't worry, you can manifest your travel dreams. You can manifest your love life, you can manifest the career you want. You have the freedom right now, okay? You can do it, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Luck has not been taken away from you. If you're feeling like you're not lucky right now, things are all going backwards or something like that, don't feel like that, because everything is happening for you, okay? If something has taken away from you, maybe it's not good for you. Sometimes divine do that, right? So maybe remember that always. You for I feel like for group number 2, your freedom is very important to you guys. You cannot survive where you have no freedom. So maybe for some of you are stressing about your own freedom, whether if I do this job, or if I will be in this relationship, will I get the freedom or not? Yes, you will get the freedom. So first, I don't know, for you guys, I feel like you need to say that affirmations like I'm free, I'm protected, I'm secure. So that kind of affirmations will also help you, okay? So if you are using money affirmations, keep on using that many affirmations, because it will help you, okay? So Archangel Michael is here to tell you that creative solutions are going to come. You have everything, you have the resources, you have that inner resources, everything will be provided to you guys that is needed. You know what you need will be provided. You don't have to stress about anything, and then a new cycle is opening up, new things are coming for you guys, new solutions. The sun is going to shine. So if you're feeling low right now, if you're feeling trapped right now, you're not going to be trapped anymore. You're going to be free. So ground your energy, let go of that stress. Don't hold on to something that is not good for you guys, maybe a habit of yours that is not good for you guys. So it's time to let go of that. So yeah, maybe for some of you are very, very creative, you're getting creative ideas, but you're not taking action right now because you feel like things will not work out. So don't do that, okay? You need to take action. Okay, so that's very important. Keep on working hard, because all your hard work will pay off. You will get the rewards. So yeah, that's very important. So bye bye, take care, group number 2. Hello lovelies, hello group number 3. If you chose this aquamarine crystal, so what is your message from Archangel Michael? Urgent messages from Archangel Michael. So for you guys, it's like go with the flow. If you're impatient right now, it's a message to be patient, okay? Patience is very important for you guys, okay? Things will happen at the correct time, so impatience will not give you anything. So be patient, okay? That is the first message I'm receiving for you guys. So from tarot cards, we have love, yeah, that means 2 of cups energy, we have page of swords energy, and then we have temperance, okay? So with this, you know, some online dating, are you guys doing some online dating or something like that? So maybe if you're dating online, I feel like this relationship is going to be, this person is your soulmate. That is the first thing I feel like. And the second thing, what I feel like, you need to be patient with this person, okay? So maybe yeah, this person will take their time to confess or something, or maybe it's a message for you guys to be a little bit patient. Don't yeah, sometimes we need to take time. It's very important. It's take time to understand this person. Yeah, maybe for some of you, yeah, if you're trying online dating, this relationship will bloom, okay? Yeah, and for others, you're coming, you know, your alignment, I feel like things are aligning for you guys. You're coming back, like maybe your vibration was not so good, your vibration is coming back, like you're getting into this positive attitude also. What that is what I feel like. Maybe you're connecting with spirit, you're aligning with spirit, you're connecting with your own higher self. So if you're asking, if you question, you know, right now, if you feel like that, is this person worthy, like if you're dating someone online, if you're like talking to them, yes, I feel like there is a potential that this person is your soulmate. And for some of you, this can be a friend that will help you with your studies, okay? Or maybe they will give you ideas, that this friend, or yeah, for some of you, you're getting this clarity, this light bulb moment where you will understand what you need to do next, okay? So like passing a bridge, like look at that, the bridge, yeah, from here to here you're passing. Maybe for some of you, you will be clearing an exam, also an online exam, and you'll be feeling very satisfied. Or maybe you are very worried about your exam results, don't worry about it. Be patient, guys, because everything is going to be okay with this rainbows also. That is what I feel like. Your angels are with you, spirit guides are with you, Archangel Michael is with you. This temperance card, I have to say that Archangel Michael is there with you. He is guiding you. You're very, very connected to Archangel Michael. Okay, so that is very important here. Yeah, with this temperance card, that is because I feel like this is Archangel Michael protecting you, guiding you. And Archangel Michael is protecting all the relationships in your life, I feel. So yeah, for some of you might be single for so long, and like finally you're getting into this dating and you're like stressing, maybe because of your past relationship, you're stressing about this relationship. You don't have to stress, you are protected. And I feel things will be okay for you guys. If you're dating right now, if you have already met this person, yeah, I feel like this person is your soulmate. Okay. If you have this question, like this is a confirmation for those people. Okay, that is this person you're like, maybe you're asking that. So yes, this person is your soulmate. Maybe for some of you, you may marry this person. That is also quite possible, but you need to be patient with this person. Don't let your own impatience destroy things. Sometimes our impatience destroy things, right? So that is very important. You have to be very patient with this person. That is very important. Like you look at this with this Page of Swords also. You have to go slow in this, otherwise you will fall, right? So it's time to take small steps. It's time to go slow in this relationship. Don't try to hurry things. Okay, maybe this person is a Sagittarius for some of you, or maybe a water sign also, or maybe an air sign also, right? So yeah, for some of you, if you are preparing for some exam, I feel like go slow. Because there is success, and be patient with yourself. Okay, don't try to sometimes what happens when we have to read something, we just try to do it in one day. Don't try to do things in one day. Okay, just divide things and take rest and do things like slowly. Go slowly, you don't have to run. Okay, because you're not going to lose anything. So you don't have to worry. Go slow. Okay, that is also a message for you guys. With this rainbow, a lot of color is coming into your life, because you're going to connect with a person who will understand you. Maybe this can be a person who will help you with your studies, like a friend. Okay, this can be a friend. For some of you, it can be a lover, or maybe you have already if you are already dating this person, I feel like this person might propose to you. That is also, I feel like, or maybe you're waiting for the proposal. So it's like a message Archangel Michael is saying, be patient with this person. They will do it, but you don't have to let your impatience come in between. Okay, so yeah, that is what I feel. There is some sort of look, we have peace. Like a lot of peace is coming your way. You'll be very peaceful. Okay, so like clearing an exam, like receiving a letter, like a university letter or something like that, that will bring you a lot of inner peace. Like maybe this person will message you, or they will tell you that they like you back or something like that. So some sort of messages you will receive that will make you so happy, so peaceful. Like a lot of inner peace is what I feel like. That is what is coming for you guys. Look at that. I told you Archangel Michael is with you. He is guiding you. For this pile, I felt the most presence of Archangel Michael, and yes, he is with you. And with this, like, look at the angel feathers are also there, if you can see it, right? So yeah, we have Archangel Michael here. Strong presence for you guys. You work with angels. Keep on working with angels, because your angels are guiding you. They're protecting you. You're meant to have all the inner peace. Okay, like a lot of peace. Or maybe if you receive some angels, maybe it is a sign from the universe that they're telling you they are with you. The sun is going to rise, like a lot of peace is going to come. You will clear the things, you will cross the bridge. Okay, maybe in a relationship things are not so good right now, and you're feeling like, oh, whether this relationship will be successful or not. Go slow with this relationship, because it will be successful. Look, we have this, again, like top coming at the top, success. That is what I feel for you guys. Go slow. Don't don't be in a hurry, guys. That is the message, urgent message for you guys. Go slow, take one small step at a time. You don't have to hurry, nothing is going to go away from you. And with this, like, you will be able to reach the mountain, you will be at the top. Okay, so it's, if it's a relationship, yes, go slow with this relationship, because you will achieve the success you want, you will achieve the love you want, you will achieve the victory you want. Okay, and again we have the card of relationship. So yeah, for some of you it's about a relationship. Okay, maybe you're asking Archangel Michael the guidance, like you're asking, why is this my soulmate, or will this relationship will give me peace, or is this the one, or something like that. So if you're asking, yes, this person will give you the happiness, or for some of you it can be a friend, it can be a lover. Okay, whatever it is, this, or if in your relationship there is no peace. Okay, if you're married and there is no peace in your relationship, that peace is happening, go slow with this person. Okay, for some of you it can be like you're breaking away from this relationship and moving forward slowly, and you will be at the top of your game. That is what I feel. Lot of success for you guys, lot of inner peace. But right now all you need to do is to be patient. And I know that people don't like hearing it, but Archangel Michael is giving you the message right now is to be patient with yourself, patient with other people. Go slow, take one step at a time, don't hurry things, don't try to do everything at once. Go slow, right? Because slow and steady, that is what I feel like. Slow and steady wins the race. Sorry. Okay, yeah, that is what I feel for you guys. But definitely there is a lot of success in relationships, success in career, success in whatever area you want success. There is peace, but go slow. Okay, so that's it. And we have aquamarine also. It's also about like flow, like water. Don't try to control things, let go of the things that is not working for you guys, one step at a time. Okay, so yeah, that's it for my group number 3. Bye bye, take care.